day school system now on year and Shisheboni. And normally, no, or year for SHS placement in our culture there. I don't know currently, at least may fail for me by those times. You know. What fifth choice? Now I'm also what they take up to 10 choices or so. 11. But those times now are 5 choices.
Yeah.
What fifth choice? You know? What's the day school? Our year within about some catchment area. And they say, in your first choice now, or year boarding now, I don't know. In your fifth choice now, me last born, that time, his fifth choice was a Accra Academy. And Accra Academy, of course, is one of the grade A schools. But of year finals day, well, that was why he was on the man. Until no free no school. No, yeah, baby, it's closer to that place. No, yeah, big deal. In terms of day school now, and before one man over catchment area, in the zone day school, onya awofu ina na neighbor board na obetumi nya board in the home academy no what to chop box what to chewe na what should be out there or this manoko school. And the anybody here day student ofufie obiborn ma baby any fear what the baby school one or a walking distance obiborn more for car in and out, you know, or manageable for even the most I don't want to use the term poor to sound derogatory. At least the average Ghanaian, that should be the appropriate word. For the average Ghanaian, over to Naneba work international day schooler on your big deal. Now, saying the concept of the community day secondary school now, James it was that idea that there are many communities that want secondary schools. In TMFNC, in the advantageous position that they may include Butumna will access secondary schools. Of course, Ghana follow so much in tune with boarding system such that people feel though baby a school away or either for car free milk class. Meet your 5 Ghana cedis in and out, or you cow into Nakamibano or the school hall man or Obenya home faso. But say, echo, I'll meet a brochure. But one of our brochure American, they don't there. Community schools are always day schools. Community schools are always day schools. There is a Kakasina, who see me the church in Kakasina, and over boarding school. But somehow, no, the main idea of community school, no, on catching up so much with us. Yes, you're operating, those ones that you're going now, you're operating, no. They're even attempting to basically hostels close by because actually placement now. Obo man never watermelon. No, out to now, at Jamel says, community SHS or a confused trauma. Or better one way for Tamal every morning, not the Never school. And so I know over a dam or town one. So these are the little challenges. We feel they said, your money system, like a community day schools, will place only children from the catchment area. Until we go ahead, man, one phone free, where they call a confused drum SHS. Another one kafola, you listen to one kafo. Until I'm going to one kafo and then catchment area. No, effort at school. Even what financial school. Then the member from the work. You're too young, the main concept near you. We feel that the main always boarding. Because the time has come for us to decongest boarding. Boarding concept, or a colonial concept. Of course, that time I come from the bed, and that was more of trying to integrate Ghana. Maybe after 65 or so years, main the main idea should still continue to persist. You're going to encourage community day schools. You place children within the catchment area only in there. They equip one. The man. I will fall out of the free children, but until I don't copy that man. On CBU. You two year them there. Be assured that idea of community schools with hostels. Then as now actually go back to a colonial time or this infantile the boarding school. the time has come for us to move away. Now you have the community schools. So yeah, from catchment to from Kumu. Now you it will help so much that Ghanaians will be happy if we're able to do so. And these are the reasons why GM is going to accelerate the construction of community schools, complete them, equip them. Now, old replacement now, we may have to start talking about placing children within the catchment area in the community day schools.
I'm saying, idea in Tina, jail. What can take your friend? What can King say? Computer placement system, no? Or in Sakai, ever. Ama, you to me, who say, Abofra, a war, say, or young family say, Kia, young Cotono, and Coto, Bense, a Suyamai. Now, or how we be about 80 computer placement system, go back in and Emma, here 7 months, I create a computer placement system. Proudly say, and probably me a I had the one back to baby, and when she no open sacrae. Now I say, yes, you own Tracy Kaby and Sana, why, what I am. And just we know how can see my I will for 80 over. Now, we can't say, now they say, I can't after the Emilia Pedican say, their school system, and only one of the issues are stakeholder engagement now, yeah, that's why on buying Yabagin, you only have to say, Yabape say, Yabako free SHS, Yabanina body, and as Yabape say, Yabama day, community day system, no, about stakeholder forum, your business. Now, other countries, dear minimum, what your far Kenyan say, the way they say, what they voucher, but Frebia, ni father, ni parents, share taxi diano, or qualify say free SHS, Ubinia. Now, voucher, the basic day schools near the amount until wow, person will back. Ever body, and no more requirements, so we're talking about. And you one model. And if he says, stakeholder engagement, you know, ever buying, say, on mine, you basically deny the media, say,
Professor Bodo, Professor, you shared the position of our flag bearer, the former President John Dramani Mahama. Up in there, Ghana, I say, in terms of our president is. GM, the midday student, as me between a year for, and then the position of between a year for. Say, if you see a day student is from pure when you are when you come or your school, I say, if you are fancy or not to go, do I this go to my land to go? There must be at the Boma Bembe.
No, actually, GM can over be day student if you want.
I'm talking about Abba, the student here, it be some massive between this Genevieve, and we are to what there. I guess I can be missing the improv, but moving the imida. And it should see the currently. No, I don't. Sorry, what you currently, this is a Agri Memorial. We have the Form 1 and we have the Form 2, but the Form 2 student, who you are. Oh no, honorable or near board another day. Nature a infant making, performing a day student. Yeah. We will fear now walk. And to open your God or not to form to the war honor. Yeah. In John say a day a board in cohorts on the issue. James all the 3 cohorts will be in school. Also, then, or both way a opportunity for other sector players to come in. Now also to me with your performance and it's already have 2,000 conference man. That's a private school book campus, no of equal quality. No go to J. Even 1,000 from the mid 2,000. No children want to work conference no. One over the mid 3 cohorts in and go to Marco. Now also one local private schools no. 3 cohorts in and so go to Marco take Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. You when they were school at the same time. Senior, junior, but in terms of placement, like a Prof.
say placement issue now is about the placement. Obi or Tamale, no what didn't buy Cape Coast. Next door a day student. I mean really, I don't know if it's Tamale to offer car obodu igwena enche adiache. Into no only no you completely unrealistic. Into the policy will be, like I said, the stakeholders engagement. It's about the policy in there. All the catchment area or bill code student and the person all the philosophy there. That choice, you should be within one person catchment area. It is one of the reasons why a man fa igwe me what me tetamale man fa igwe as day student. Ne any place man and the man by school igwe ya as them be a day student. No man say if tetamale. No man by day as a day student what igwe. One na ya dia James the Yemeshe, ne Siwungwa, ne Kana Hina Tiasiaba, a wolf for her, a teacher for her, a school for her, Obia or her, Yina J, a woman shame the or one Nahina church have been able to. Abado de ya, Obia no better now, a former book scholar, a problem Yalamba.